Good morning, guys. Best ever toy TV here. Today, we're gonna crack open up another car as part of our Diecast daily episode, and we're gonna crack open this one, the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor, part of the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks series, the sixth car in the series. So you can see here, this is a US international card here with this guaranteed for life on top. And yeah, good art card. Let us open this one right now. Ooh, that was easy. So here is the Ford F-150 EcoBoost. So take a look at the front first. Lots of wonderful details here on the hood. Raptor EcoBoost, build tough. So this is Ford's motto here. Ford built tough. Ford Raptor. So in real life, Ford has been concentrating on just building the trucks and the SUVs. They have abandoned the small cars and sedans, and yeah, it's pretty good. They have improved the quality a lot. Just some fun facts right there. So check out the hood of the car here. Moonroof, really good. The interior is gray. I really like the black paint job paired with the orange and white decals here. On the rear, big Ford right there. The rear, no details though on the tail light, but that's okay because you can see here on the side it has a lot of decals here. Raptor at the back, again built tough, powered by EcoBoost, Ford Performance. Yeah, five-sided no, not five-sided, but four-sided decals here for this Ford F-150 Raptor pickup, which is really good. Orange plastic base. This is their standard rims and tires here. Ford lifted trucks and some other vehicles. So pretty good. Loving that one. I've got some ideas already. Might do a custom on this someday. Just slight custom, all black, and we'll probably retouch the headlights and tail lights. So that is all for our quick Diecast daily video. This time we unboxed the Ford F-150 Raptor from Hot Wheels. This was from, I think, last year, a case, if I am correct. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV. Bye guys, see you soon, peace out.